This is a slide deck created by SoftMaker Presentations. It's a PowerPoint alternative. You can usually rename it or use SoftMaker Free Office to view the slides. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the viewer. My experience tells me that some PRD files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. A PRD file is associated with SoftMaker Presentations, a presentation software application. It stores presentation data, including slides, text, images, animations, and multimedia elements. PRD files are used to create and deliver professional-looking presentations for various purposes, such as business meetings, educational lectures, and marketing campaigns. PRD files utilize a proprietary file format designed for efficient storage and retrieval of presentation data within the SoftMaker Presentations environment. The format supports various slide layouts, object embedding, and transition effects. Compatibility is primarily maintained within the SoftMaker Office suite, ensuring consistent rendering and editing capabilities. The native handler for PRD files is usually SoftMaker Office from SoftMaker Software. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows provides only limited attributes, so meaningful interpretation depends on the appropriate software. We are going to find the right reader. Right-click the PRD file and click Open With. Try launching with SoftMaker Office first, as it's the recommended tool. If that doesn't work, test others until you find a match. If the PRD file won't budge, stay calm. Your system failed to open the PRD file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, use SoftMaker Presentations. Open the file using SoftMaker Presentations to view the slides, animations, and multimedia elements. Next, use SoftMaker Office. Access the file through the SoftMaker Office suite to ensure all embedded objects and layouts are rendered correctly. Finally, export to PPTX. Use the Save As or Export function in SoftMaker to convert the file to PPTX for use in Microsoft PowerPoint. The inability to open a PRD file often points to an identity crisis where the extension name doesn't match the file's true internal structure. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format regardless of its current label. The final successful step is using a file inspection tool like FileMagick to force access to your PRD content. Get the solution at filemagick.com. You can find the universal tool linked below. Show your support for detailed file guides by liking and subscribing before you finish up.